नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड इवनिंग, गुड नाइट। जब भी मैं कुमार सुधीर और आप मुझे देख रहे हो मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी पे। आज का टॉपिक हमारा है टाइप्स ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन। सो हाउ मेनी टाइप ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शंस आर बेसिकली? एक्चुअली देयर आर सेवरल काइंड ऑफ रिएक्शंस डिपेंडिंग अपॉन देयर वे ऑफ कंप्लीटिंग। इट मीन्स वो कैसे प्रोडक्ट को तैयार करता है, इसके आधार पे कई प्रकार के केमिकल रिएक्शंस को डिवाइड किया गया है। फिर हम यूँ कह सकते हैं कई तरह के केमिकल रिएक्शंस होते हैं उनके कंप्लीट होने के आधार पे। यहाँ पे जो हम लोग चार अभी डिस्कस करने वाले हैं उसमें से पहला है कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन। कॉम्बिनेशन नाम से ही क्लियर हो जाता है। कॉम्बिनेशन इट मीन्स जहां पर दो आपस में मिल रहे हो। सो दोज केमिकल रिएक्शंस आर टर्म्ड एज combination chemical reaction in which two or more than two reactants combine together and form a single new product. The condition here, the condition is one and only one. Product should be one and only one. Maybe reactant are either two or more than two, but the product is still one and only one. Actually, all type of combustion reactions are example of combination reaction. Because in combustion, either metal or non-metal both combined with oxygen and form metallic oxide or non-metallic oxide. In both of these conditions, either metal or non-metal joined with oxygen and form their corresponding oxide. In these reactions, only one product, it means single product, is formed here. So these are example of combination reaction. One or more examples of combination reactions are: the first one, when we burn a piece of coke in the presence of oxygen, then it converted into carbon dioxide and also release heat energy. So here product is one and only one, that is CO2. So it is a type of combination reaction. Another example of combination reaction, if we burn a piece of magnesium ribbon in the presence of oxygen, then it forms MgO, magnesium oxide. So here this one also example of combination reaction because only one product is formed. Ammonia prepared by Haber process in the presence of iron catalyst and high pressure and high temperature is also applicable in this reaction. This process is known as Haber process. By this procedure, ammonia is prepared. So here ammonia is also one single product by two reactant. So all reactions in which only single product is formed by two or more than two reactants are termed as combination reaction. It means a necessary condition for combination reaction is single product formation. यानी हमारा कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन में जब भी प्रोडक्ट का फॉर्मेशन होगा तो वो हमेशा सिंगल प्रोडक्ट होगा। वो कभी भी दो या दो से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकता है, वो हमेशा प्रोडक्ट हमारा सिंगल होगा। जैसे कुछ और भी एग्जांपल्स हम लोग लेते हैं, जैसे हम लोग सोडियम ऑक्साइड डिसॉल्व इन वाटर, then it form sodium hydroxide. So this one also example of combination reaction. Another, when we burn a piece of sulfur in the presence of oxygen, then it forms sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide also react with oxygen again in the presence of vanadium pentaoxide at catalyst, then it prepared sulfur trioxide. So here all of these are example of combination reaction because in these reactions single products are formed. Second one, decomposition reaction. नाम से ही क्लियर है, decomposition यानी टूटना. So decomposition reaction are those chemical reaction in which one reactant break down into two or more than two new products. There are three type of decomposition reaction depending upon their nature. The first one is thermal decomposition reaction. The first one is thermal decomposition reaction. Second one is light decomposition. The third one is electrical decomposition reaction. Electrical decomposition. Thermal decomposition are also known as heat decomposition reaction. Heat decomposition. Light decomposition is also known as photo decomposition reaction. And the third one is electrical decomposition. So यहाँ पर थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन का मतलब ये हुआ कि जहां पे आप हीट एनर्जी देकर आप किसी एक रिएक्टेंट को तोड़ते हो. जैसा कि हमने कहा डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन आर दोज केमिकल रिएक्शन इन विच वन रिएक्टेंट ब्रेक डाउन इनटू 2 और मोर देन 2 न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स. सो हम इस रिएक्शन को कंप्लीट कैसे करते हैं? अगर हम हीट एनर्जी से अगर आप उसको तोड़ रहे हो तो वो थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन है. आप अगर उसको लाइट के हेल्प से अगर आप तोड़ रहे हो तो वो लाइट डिकम्पोजिशन या फोटो डिकम्पोजिशन है. आप अगर उसको इलेक्ट्रिक करंट के हेल्प से अगर आप तोड़ रहे हो तो फिर वो इलेक्ट्रिकल डिकम्पोजिशन है. इस प्रोसेस को एक्चुअली हम लोग इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस के भी नाम से हम जानते हैं. तीनों का मैं एक एक एग्जांपल यहाँ पे शो करता हूँ. थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन के लिए बेटर एग्जांपल है हमारे पास कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट heated alone, then it form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. When we heated a piece of lead nitrate PbNO3 Hal 2 strongly, then it forms lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and also oxygen gas. So the second one, light decomposition. In light decomposition, basically decomposition occurs due to light. When a silver bromide powder और silver chloride, both कोई भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं, either silver chloride or silver bromide exposed in UV light or sunlight, then it change their color due to this reaction. So here AgCl provide Ag and half Cl2. In this reaction, decomposition is due to light, so this one is termed as light decomposition reaction. Now third one, electrical decomposition reaction or example of decomposition reaction is electrolysis of water. Actually, distilled water is a poor conductor or bad conductor of electricity, but if we dissolve a small amount of either 1 or 2 or a few drops of either acid, base or salt, then it becomes a good conductor of electricity. According in this setup, one beaker, 2 electrodes, one is anode, another one is cathode, and 2 test tubes are also fitted and connected with a battery with positive terminal and negative terminal. The negative electrode is known as cathode and positive electrode is known as anode. When DC electric current is supplied in such type of water which consists a little amount of acid, base or salt, then it dissociate into their constituent ions and it provide H plus ion and O double minus ion. H plus ion liberated at cathode in the form of H2 and O double minus ion liberated at anode in the form of O2. So this one is example of electrolysis or electrical decomposition reaction. For more videos, subscribe this channel please